daily use in English sentences. I feel sick. I feel sick. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. I have a headache. I have a headache. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I'm so exhausted. I'm so exhausted. I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. I need to rest. I need to rest. I think I'm coming down with something. I think I'm coming down with something. Keep an eye on your bag. Keep an eye on your bag. Be careful. Be careful. Watch out. Watch out. Let's grab some food. Let's grab some food. Look out. Look out. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Stay safe. Stay safe. Drive carefully. Drive carefully. I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling tired. Don't forget your keys. Don't forget your keys. Don't be late. Don't be late. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's meet later. Let's meet later. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. Let's try something new. Let's try something new. Let's order pizza. Let's order pizza. Can you help me? Can you help me? What's the time? What's the time? Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Could you pass me that? Could you pass me that? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? What do you think? What do you think? Do you know the way? Do you know the way? Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Could you speak louder? Could you speak louder? Please close the door. Please close the door. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. Can you turn off the lights? Can you turn off the lights? Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? Could you send me the details? Could you send me the details? Please don't disturb me. Please don't disturb me. Can you pick that up? Can you pick that up? Could you call me later? Could you call me later? Please remind me tomorrow. Please remind me tomorrow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. You're the best. You're the best. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I owe you one. I owe you one. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My apologies. My apologies. Sorry for the trouble. Sorry for the trouble. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I messed up. I messed up. It's my fault. It's my fault. I'll make it up to you. I'll make it up to you. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. I regret what I said. I regret what I said. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? How are you? Good evening. Good evening. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. Have a good day. Have a good day. Good night. Good night. Catch you later. Catch you later. I think so. I think so. I don't agree. I don't agree. In my opinion, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. That's true. That's true. I disagree. I disagree. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. That sounds great. That sounds great. Let's think about it. Let's think about it. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? I'm running late. I'm running late. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Call me when you're free. Call me when you're free. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. I forgot my wallet. I forgot my wallet. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoyed the video? Hit subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment below.